Today, I want to talk about multiple conditions in an if statement and how you can use a nested if and function to efficiently solve for that. To lay the groundwork, let's say that we pay our sales reps a 10% bonus on all of their sales, but only if their sales for the year exceed $100,000 and their gross profit on those yearly sales exceeds 50%. So there's a few ways we could do it. I'll say condition one, condition two, bonus out here. This will be kind of an iterative approach, and then this will be the nested if and. So one maybe simplistic way to think about it, but it'll just result in a lot of columns, would be to say equals if sales are greater than 100,000, then give me a 1, otherwise give me a 0. And then if gross profit is greater than 0.5, give me a 1, otherwise give me a 0. Then my bonus will be equal to 10% of my sales times condition one times condition two. So in this case, if either of those conditions are not met, this entire product will return a 0. So that will give us the right answer. We'll see didn't meet, and didn't meet. So all three of those folks should have zeros, and they do. And then these folks met, and that should be 14.5, 17.4, 15.0. So formula works. If we wanted a direct approach, the nested if and here, we could say equals if, and then put the and formula in there. And that and formula will only be met if everything within the and formula is met. So we'll say if and sales are greater than 100,000, comma, gross profit is greater than 0.5. And if that and is true, then I want you to give me 10% of the sales. If it's not true, that means they get no bonus, so give me a 0. I think I might have not put enough zeros in here. Yeah, so I only did 10,000. This should be 100,000. So make that change. And then you can see that we'll end up with the same exact answer there. We just don't need all these helper formulas.